If you don't clearly identify what the sustainable thing is, then you just talk in circles. Hello, Vietnamese manufacturing fans. I had the pleasure of meeting a company called Aquila.is. I spoke with the founder and the head of sustainability about the topic of, is there a need for sustainability in Vietnam? And my question for you is, what is your definition of sustainability? Stick around to hear our conversation and my definition of sustainability. To me, the smart way to approach this opportunity of sustainability is to find out from the brand, from the customer, what aspect of sustainability they specifically need. But for example, like if a customer says, we want to produce regenerated cellulosic fiber, which is bamboo, modal, tencel, in a closed loop system, I would say, bingo, you've got to go to Lenzing. Lenzing has a fabric mill here in Vietnam. They've got fabric mills in China, and they've got fabric mills back in, I think it's Austria, right? So, and that is sustainable because it's regenerated cellulosic fiber, which the input material could be bamboo, which is a sustainable ingredient or resource. And then Lenzing has perfected the closed loop system to where they minimize the discharge of bad chemicals during the process of breaking bamboo down into fiber. That's just one example, right? But if somebody says, "Oh yeah, we want to start a sustainable clothing brand using bamboo," but then they don't differentiate between open loop and closed loop system, and they really could care less of where they get the bamboo from, and they just end up getting it from some wholesaler in China, and you have no idea where that regenerated cellulosic fiber is being made, but it's bamboo and therefore it's sustainable. Well, if the brand is okay with that, all right, fine, we'll buy bamboo yarn from China, not really having any true traceability, but it's bamboo, and that meets the definition of sustainable for that brand. End of story. If you have a need to produce sustainability in Vietnam, then please click like and follow and reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you find sustainable factories in Vietnam. Have a great day. Thanks for listening. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.